Morning, YouTubers. What's up? I want to show you this thing. Weighs about 10 pounds. Ain't that about the gnarliest that blade you ever seen? Those serrations are sharp. Another example of what you get here. Per 3. One-handed operation. How long the blade, you ask? Get lined up. Oh, that's right at 3. 3 and 4-inch gripper. That feels like iron to me. I'd say steel, cast iron or something. Magnet holes. Anyway, I thought I'd show you that. Have a good day. Stay warm, stay dry, and God bless you. And please subscribe. Thank you. Thank you.